So you've started your ActiveCampaign account and you're ready to collect leads, nurture them, and turn them into paying customers. Great. ActiveCampaign, as you probably already know, is a preferred option to older email marketing apps like MailChimp and some other ones, and it's designed to basically run on autopilot and help you offer personalized content to different segments in your mailing list while you focus on other parts of your business. But to tap into the power of ActiveCampaign, you need the right tools to get your target audience to opt in and join your mailing list. So keep watching to find the best plugins and apps to integrate with ActiveCampaign and start growing your mailing list today. You're going to notice that most of the plugins here are centered around form building and lead generation, which are key for building an engaged mailing list. But some of these integrations also include additional features to enhance your website's functionality and give your business a competitive edge. Now, before we quickly jump into the list, I just wanted to remind you that there's a beautiful subscribe button that you can click on if you are into online marketing and building online businesses. Here at Thrive Themes, we love to talk about these topics, so yeah, you know what to do. All right, the first integration that I want to talk about is obviously Thrive Leads. Thrive Leads is the best WordPress form builder that you can use to generate leads, and it also comes with a super simple visual builder that you can use to build and customize your opt-in forms. And something worth mentioning is that when you buy Thrive Leads, you also get access to 450 professionally designed opt-in form templates. 450 templates that you can use to grab your audience's attention and get them to convert. Did I say that it was 450? I mean, it's 450 templates. Now, you can create a lot of different types of opt-in form templates with Thrive Leads, from pop-ups to sticky ribbons that stay on page while your visitor scrolls, to slide-in forms, to scroll mats and opt-in form widgets. And the best part is that Thrive Leads seamlessly integrates with ActiveCampaign, so you can send your new leads over into your CRM with absolute ease. We then have WPforms, which is one of the best WordPress form builders. And what's really impressive about this plugin is that it prioritizes convenience and ease of use. It comes with over 700 form templates for you to use on your website. And that means that you have a form template for pretty much every scenario that you can possibly think of. You can integrate WPforms with ActiveCampaign to grow your mailing list, nurture leads, and get more sales. We then have Rafflepress, which is the best WordPress giveaway and contest plugin. We use Rafflepress here at Thrive Themes when we host our own giveaways, and it's one of my favorite tools out there to grow email lists. With this plugin, you can easily run a giveaway and get your audience to sign up to your mailing list. And I've said this many times now, but giveaways and contests are a very effective way to grow your mailing list, boost your social media engagements, and get your business in front of newer audiences, which will ultimately lead to more conversions. And with ActiveCampaign, you can use this integration to funnel your new leads into the right email sequences to turn them into paying customers. Let's talk about one more of our own tools, Thrive Automator. Look, Thrive Automator is the best free automation plugin you can use to connect ActiveCampaign to a variety of WordPress tools. But that's not all. You can also use webhooks to connect your website to other tools such as Stripe, PayPal, Calendly, and transfer customer data and other information from one place to another. And you get to use this amazing tool for free, and you don't need to know how to code to use it. I mean, it's a no-brainer integration. And last but not least, we can't not talk about one of the best e-commerce plugins for WordPress, WooCommerce. You can integrate WooCommerce with ActiveCampaign to improve customer experience, turn one-time buyers into regulars, and ultimately grow your business. An integration between WooCommerce and ActiveCampaign will allow you to refine your segmentation process and create marketing automations based on your ActiveCampaign contacts' purchase behavior, their demographics, and other details. For example, if your abandoned carts are piling up, what you can do is connect WooCommerce to ActiveCampaign and create a workflow to boost purchase completion rates and land even more sales. And something else that's really cool is that once you've collected your customers' details, you can also use SMS marketing to support your transactional email sequences and send alerts on special promos and upcoming discounts. These are just a few of the many use cases you can execute with this integration. Look, ActiveCampaign and Drip are probably two, if not the two best email marketing tools out there. They are for sure the ones that I always feel comfortable recommending to other people. But anyways, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, a big thumbs up button would be cool. And if you want to learn more about how Thrive Suite can help you scale your online business, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. It's been a real pleasure, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.